You can access student usage analytics for the courses you teach. Usage information is updated daily, so you can view how students are engaging with your assigned items regularly throughout the term, or review the overall engagement at the end of the term. From the list, click on the Analytics icon. This will open the analytics for this list. Under List Usage, you can see usage statistics, including how many items are on your list, how many students there are in total, how many of those have been active on the list, total full text access, which will give you an idea of how many times students have clicked through to the full text for your course resources, and the number of physical loans for any items on your list which are available physically in the library's collections. If you have any questions about any of the statistics, hover over the information icon to clarify. Under Item Usage, you can see the item-level analytics, including the number of active students, showing the number of unique students that interacted with the item in some way, students who viewed the full text, the unique students that downloaded or clicked through to the full text, the due date for the item, if it has one, as well as the number of students who marked the item as done and the number of physical loans. Again, if you have any questions about the data being measured, hover over the information icon to clarify. You can also filter the list, so if you want to see only a specific section or a specific item, they are all listed here. Finally, you can export the analytics out of the system for further use. To close the analytics, just click the X. Thanks for joining.